Attending the assembly, you must take a vote on account because vote on account gives them the budget provision for the next 3 months. Because 31st of March, definitely a budget this has to be presented. So therefore, our demand was also when they were trying to pass the budget that go for vote on account and then we can discuss because when you have a budget session, it's a longer session. And to my class toilet, आम्ही सांगला next session को तरमोर for formality it will be a 2-day session. Just to meet that 6 months, they will have a 2-day session. So that is not what we wanted. We wanted a full budget session because in every budget session, every demands day we can talk. So here they were not giving us the chance. They cut short and there was no discussion and directly they were going in for vote and they were pushing it and pushing us out to pass the budget behind our back. That was wrong.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.